everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be installing a 20-inch Kinky straight U-part wig from LUVME Hair. So my daughter recently received it and she's going to be giving a review, so be sure to check out her channel, Royal Armani. So right now I'm parting out her hair to use as a leave out for the U-part wig. So right here I am placing the wig along her leave out just to make sure I've parted out enough or not too much. So right now I'm doing the braid down. The braids doesn't necessarily have to be too small because it's a kinky straight wig and it has a lot of volume, so you don't necessarily need small braids. So I really like the construction of the wig. It has clips along the perimeters of the wig. If you didn't want to sew it down to secure it, you can secure it with the clips. But I like to sew it down. So before straightening the leave out, be sure to apply some type of heat protectant to the hair.
Got that sauce in it.
So here I am doing some barrel curls with my flat iron, and as you can see I have a sleepy head, so like me I tend to get very relaxed when getting my hair done. I'm trying my best to keep her head still. So during this process, I'm using the flat iron to do the barrel curls. Typically, I like to use my Marcel's. However, to be able to do larger sections, I use the flat iron.
Fire, 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 fire.
So right here, you'll see me pull back with the flat iron. That is so you'll give a finished end to the curl. Unlike with beach waves, you continue to go down, and that will give the appearance of a loose curl at the end. So typically I like to pin curl the barrel curl. I find that it helps to seal the curl. now the bear curls are complete, I've taken out all the roller clips and I am just now blending her leave out into the U-part wig. Be sure to use a finishing spray so we can get all those flyaways. And she would wake right up as I'm finishing her hair. This is the finished product. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Okay, this is my mommy. My mommy did my hair. This lollipop is good. Get you one. I think it's from Valentine's Day. I think this is a long time to be saving the lollipop. I'm out.
Pressing up that sauce in it.
Please.